Look at you. You cheap like me, ain't you?
Henry, I want to start my own clothing company. But I ain't got no money. I need money.
I'll tell you what. You keep on watching this video. By the end of it, you'll have your own clothing company with no money. Don't believe me? Just watch.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to teach you guys how to set up your own clothing brand in no time for $0. All right, so the first one I want to show you guys, this company is called Bonfire. The reason I chose Bonfire for this video, I think Bonfire is amazing. They're the first one that I've used as a drop shipping method, and they're absolutely amazing, and they're for free. So yes, everything I do in this video is gonna be for free. So the first thing is we're gonna try to sign up with Bonfire. Again, signing up is completely free. So for this purpose, I'm gonna choose sell online because we're trying to set up a store online. So I'm choosing that. Next thing is create a store. Now you have the option to start a campaign. Let's say you're doing a fundraiser for something or just for a specific event. You can choose to start a campaign. So in that sense, it will just be for that campaign. Or you can actually create a store. That means you're gonna have your own site and your own branding and everything. Again, completely for free, guys. All right. So let's go and create a store and click continue. And then from there, then we're gonna sign up. All right, so now that we're completely signed up, now we're gonna choose a purpose of why we want to use Bonfire. And in this situation, I think the best way to do it is for a business or an organization if you're trying to set up your own business. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna choose the type of organization. We're gonna choose business for this one, and we're gonna create a name. Let's say my first t-shirt company. All right. So I have my first t-shirt company. All right. So we have a store here, guys. We have a store here. We can actually set it up. But what I'm saying to you, once you're done signing up here, you're actually on your way, completely free. So let's do the first step, which is creating my store. Let's say, like I said again, you're gonna create my first t-shirt company. All right. So let's type that. We're gonna start with my first t-shirt company is gonna start setting everything up for you and publish and share. That's it. So again, just by signing up already, they're already showing you all the basic aspects of it, right? So you customize your store, which means you put your any logos you may have, any names you may have, your buyer and stuff like that. Then you create the campaign, which essentially means you're gonna add the products that you need to sell, and then you're gonna publish and share. That's it. 3 steps. All right, guys. So here's some of the options you may choose for your layout. You can choose this one or this one. All right. And yeah, that's it. Your store is up and going, up and ready to go. All right. So all you're gonna do is create a campaign. So let's try that. Saving your store. You're gonna create a campaign. To create a campaign from that screen, you're pretty much gonna be choosing the type of item you want to sell. All right. So for this purpose, I'm gonna choose a t-shirt. Okay. So let's go with a white one to make it easier. Right. So once you select the white one, you're gonna see in this section, that's the part that you can put whatever design you want to add. Okay. So from here you can have a couple options, guys. So let's say you have no idea on how to design, you don't want to design, you don't want to deal with designing. From this page alone, you'll have the option to choose from some graphics that they already have. So you either can add a text. So let's say you want to add a text, right? So let's say you want to say whatever. That's what you want on your t-shirt. You said whatever. So you have it right here. Obviously, the t-shirt is white. So having white colors would not be the best because you won't really see it. So at that point, next to the font section, there's the color. You can choose the color. So let's say you want to put it black. There you go. You got it black. Now you want to change the font. You don't like how it stands right now. You can choose it from this area here, the font, and they have many of fonts, guys. You can choose from quite a few of them. Again, all for free. All right. So let me see that one. I got that one, and that's just something interesting. You know, again, you can choose any of these, guys. It's really very much simple. So let's say I want to go with that one. All right, perfect. So now I have my text on my t-shirt. Now let's say I wanna add a graphic, but like I said again, you don't have any clue on how to design things. You just want to have something up and going without having to do any type of graphic designs, right? So you click on Find Graphics. From here, they'll give you quite a few graphics to start, guys, and you can combine a few of them just to make something that speaks you, and you can actually type the style that you want. So let's say I want to put skull. I'm wondering if they have that. I don't know. It's my first time trying that. Ah, there you go. So they have skull. So let's say you have all these here, and let's say you want to go with uh, that one. I like that one. So I'll go ahead and choose that one. As you can see again, guys, it comes in as a white color, and from here you can choose the type of color that you want for that particular one. Let me see here. So the color section is right here. So let's say I want to put it in red. There you go. So I have it in red. And from here you can actually change the size of the picture, where you want to put it. All right. So let's say I want to put the text at the bottom. Kind of make more sense for me right now. So I go ahead and do that. Boom. There you go. So essentially, guys, technically speaking, if you don't want to deal with no designing or anything, you just want to have some things from the graphics that Bonfire offers you, you can do it directly on their site. All right. So let's say you're satisfied with what you've seen. You put whatever, you put the design, you change the color of it, you change the color of the text and the font of the text, and you say, you know what, that's what I like. I'm ready to go. From this part, you just choose next. Just select on next. On this on for this option, the base score is gonna be higher. All right. So you can see 1779 for the base cost. But let's say if you do sell it for 24.99, you can still make a $7.20 profit on this t-shirt alone. Okay, but by choosing on demand, you won't have a certain amount of days that you can sell those items. So it will be unlimited as long as you have those designs available and you want people to buy them and you share the links, you can still sell those. On this page, you're gonna actually select how you wanna what you would like to do. Is it to make money or is it for a fundraiser? So in this sense, you're gonna select make money. Yes, that's standard shipping. That's already selected. And then, yeah, and then you're going to select the type of campaign you want to run. Let's say business. All right. And let's say apparel company. Then you're done from here. There you go. Now you're going to click next. All right. So you're ready to go. So for this, you can select the name of this first t-shirt. Let's say you call it Skull t-shirt. And then you want to select the description for it. I'll say t-shirt. So once you have that, and from here, you can still add more about the campaign or about the brand that you're trying to put together. And then from there, you just click launch. Okay. Once you click launch, all right, it will have a direct link for you that Bonfire will provide to you. Okay. And that's without having your own website put together. That's without having to pay for nobody to give you specific design templates or anything. That's directly from Bonfire, guys. And that's again, without buying a domain name, Bonfire will still give you a direct link, at least for you to have a head start. Now, again, bells and whistles will be to have your direct link, you have your direct website template and everything. But at least as a start, you can do this straight on Bonfire and nothing else. So once you click add this campaign to my store and you agree to that, that's it. You click confirm and launch. There you go, guys. So now you have your first item on your store. So there you have it, guys. At this point, you have your own products ready to be sold completely for free using just one website, guys. Just one website. That's without going nowhere for nothing. And if you want to add a logo, let me see here. So you can click from here and you can choose some logo from here. So let's say I want to choose, I don't know, F logo, right? So I choose this logo and say, hey, that's my logo. I want to use F. All right. That's it. You have it here. So let me show you guys how mine look like. The My merchandise section on my music site. So I go on henryfrink.com. It goes right here. So in the merchandise section, I have the HF collection, classic, gamer, and signature collection store. So once you click on that, you'll go directly here and voila, that's my store. And these are some of the products that I do sell. All right. So as you can see, I have a picture in the background. I have the title of the store stating official merchandise. I have my logo on the side, and I have a description for me. And that's it, guys. That's the concept of having just one first store just by using bonfire.com alone. Again, I'm not sponsored by Bonfire. I'm just here to help you guys at least have a head start. And I will have multiple videos to do a lot more things, from designing to set up your own store and to have your own domain name. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll talk to you soon.